Everyone that knows me knows I'm obsessed with finding the perfect setup for whatever the need. And I think I've found the perfect wireless charging setup for the Gen Tacomas to wirelessly charge and hold your phone while on the drive. Now, I've tried many different mounts to try and get my phone in a really ideal location while driving. For a while I had a small rig clamp with an arm coming up here. I tried to have a location for a suction cup. Toyota does include this wireless charging location here to set your phone, but not visible for podcast viewing. So what I've found here was there's a little hook, I think, for your passenger to have a bag on. I thought of that hook and making a custom mount to go off of it, but I realized it's the perfect size for the aluminum GoPro handlebar mount with a rubber O-ring in there. And then I used a carbon fiber and aluminum GoPro boom pole that I had sitting around. And then on top of the carbon fiber arm, I've got a GoPro finger to MagSafe phone ring mount here, just using the standard fingers and a knob that came with that. And then on mounting finally with that, I have a double MagSafe charger from Snap, which has MagSafe on the rear and then wireless on the front. Mounts that there. So during driving, the phone can perfectly wirelessly charge with the wireless Apple CarPlay and then be in a visual spot for listening to podcasts or different things like that. I then took the excess wire from the MagSafe charger, wrapped it around the GoPro boom pole, and then have a little Velcro securing the excess cord slack here to the side of the Toyota mount. And that is plugged into one of the dual ports for the USB charger here. Now this has worked incredibly well for me as it's a quick release with the MagSafe and always just comes in and charges as I go. One of the cons with it is it does block your fan and window defrost buttons here, but honestly I've got it memorized where it doesn't really bother me as much as I can throw my phone up there. And then the other con is there is a 12-volt outlet plug down there, but I have never once used it, so it does not impact me to have it blocked off. This mounting solution is one of the sleekest designs I could come up with. It does cost a bit, but the whole thing with the carbon fiber arm and the MagSafe charger here probably comes in around $100, but they're all parts that I pretty much had or would use anyways, so I didn't have to purchase anything extra here to do this setup. I've been running it like this for probably 6 months, and there is nothing I would change. Being able to quickly come in, set it on, pull it off when needed, perfect solution for me. So if you've got any questions or improvements for the setup, please let me know. I'd be happy to learn. That's all I got for you. Peace.